I just completed changing out this Weber filter cap with a CE manufacturing type on this Fender Princeton. So now we're going to open up this Weber filter capacitor and see how it's built. So here's the construction of the filter cap with a custom copper tube. The bottom appears to be sealed in epoxy. So I can't get access to that too easily, but I did notice if I tap on this thing, it sounds hollow. So it's not completely filled with epoxy. So the plan is I have this tubing cutter, and the filter cap will nest right in there just fine. I'll cut this thing open and let's see what's inside. Okay, I'm almost through. Hopefully I picked a location, and it looks like I did, to where it should come right apart and reveal the inner workings of this filter cap. It appears as though we have some good Japanese capacitors installed. And then this brand I'm not familiar with. A lot of effort went into the construction of this filter cap. I checked pricing on the web. It appears as though these 4-section Weber caps sell for about $35. CE manufacturing is about $10 higher. D-Lab prefers the CE manufacturing because they look more original on the Fender chassis.